In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Celestron Cometron 7x50 binoculars. Now, these binoculars are some of the most popular binoculars for anyone who's looking to get into astronomy and to start stargazing. They're one of the most cost-effective means of doing so. What's also really good about them is that they're great for terrestrial viewing. Now, as I've just got them, I do just want to quickly mention that I will be publishing a full review of these binoculars once I've had a chance to get them out of the box, start using them and getting some kind of feedback and experiencing them. So do be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button to be alerted of when that video goes live. Here are the Celestron Cometron 7x50 binoculars. Now these have literally just arrived and I wanted to do a quick unboxing video just so that you got an idea of exactly what these binoculars look like and you can kind of see things in terms of their size, what comes included and those kind of things. So as you can see, first and foremost, the box isn't actually too big, so that will give us an indication in terms of these binocular size. On the back you can see the specifications of the binoculars, but I'm sure you've seen those online already. So let's just open up the box. So the first thing is there's a little tag there, and as we can see, these binoculars have been wrapped in some additional packaging. So this has just popped out, and I believe this is the user manual, and I'm hoping that it gives us some instructions on maybe setup and just a bit about the binoculars. So yeah, it pretty much contains everything that's included. So it looks like we can see to make sure everything's there. There's a bit on setting the diopter and the focusing and the eye cup adjustment as well. So it looks like there's a little bit of setup as well. So yeah, this looks like it could be a handy resource. There's a bit on cleaning, services and repair, and on a warranty as well. So that's going to be a handy resource. Now onto the binoculars themselves. We can see they come in this extra packaging just to keep them safe. It looks like we get a carrying case, which looks great, a Celestron carrying case. Looks really good, and it's padded as well, so that's going to give them some protection. And if I open up this carrying case, we can see that again there's another layer of packaging. And then let's get on to the binoculars. So first and foremost, I'm really impressed with the look of these. They look absolutely fantastic, kind of really clean finish. That's a really lovely colour black. And these are a really good weight. I think I'm going to be able to hold these for quite a good period of time before kind of struggling with any fatigue. Yeah, they're a lovely weight. I think I can hold those without the use of a tripod, though it did mention in the instruction book here that they are tripod adaptable should you want them. But yeah, these are good. I don't think they're going to be an issue. I've got quite small hands, but you can see the general size of them here. Now, just having a look at them, we can see that there's added protection on both the eye pupil area, or the eye cups, I should say. Which is great, so we can keep those nice and protected from the elements, which is really important. They kind of slide on really easily, which is great. And then you've got some extra caps over the lenses, so that's going to keep them nice and protected. So yeah, these are great. We've got the focuser in the middle there. They move up and down like that, obviously, like most binoculars, and it's a little bit of it shows kind of their size here. And it mentions that they're multi-coated optics there. So overall, just on first impressions, that you can put your thumbs in there. So they've got some kind of thumb holes. Yeah, really comfortable to hold, great weight. I'm really excited to use these. They look absolutely brilliant. So they are the Celestron Cometron 7x50 binoculars. So I hope this unboxing video has been useful.